This video is entitled Standard Takeoff Toolbar Duplicate Assembly. The next button on the Standard Takeoff toolbar is the Duplicate Assembly button. The button is identified by an arrow between two lines and is used to duplicate the selected assembly and attached parts. Many times during an estimate, we are faced with having to enter the same item or group of items many times. This button will instantaneously duplicate the selected assembly and attached parts. We can then simply change the parent assembly's quantity, and the attached parts will be proportionally changed. In a matter of minutes, we can add a large number of the same group of items. Using the example on the screen, if I select the 2-inch EMT and click the duplicate button, it's instantaneously duplicated. I can just come back here and change the quantity on it, on the parent assembly. Say it's 120 foot long, hit the enter key, right click, save, ask me if I want to proportionally change the quantities, and when it proportionally changes the quantities, it's going to change the quantities for those items where the lengths, the quantities or the lengths were added automatically. Anything where we input a quantity manually will not be changed. So I say yes to change it proportionally. It changes the couplings, it changes the wire, but it leaves the connectors and the LB alone. It also changed the strap. I can then come back and add a sticky note to it. MDP to DC2. And click OK. And I can just do that again and do that again as many times as I want. That concludes the Standard Takeoff Toolbar Duplicate Assembly video.